Let's get to some large cap picks for this widely held Wednesday. Mike Wall is the CEO of Wall Financial Group. Brian Peary is co-portfolio manager of the Hennessy Large Cap Growth Fund. He's also a new face to CNBC. Guys, great to have you with us.
Thanks for having me.
Mike, I want to first ask you about Yum. McDonald's came in this morning disappointed on same-store sales for the month of May in basically every geography it operates. Are you concerned that this is going to portend dismal results at Yum?
Yeah, I don't necessarily see that happening. You know, Yum obviously has some domestic branches of all their fast food chains, but, you know, they really have a big international play. They have over 10,000 branches internationally. They have a strong, aggressive model for growth. And they're actually merging even outside of the BRIC countries. They have a lot of potential for growth there. So no, I don't necessarily see that being an issue with Yum as a piece of the portfolio, currently now anyways.
Brian, we'll come to you in a moment. Mike, can I just pick up first on another of the stocks that you like, which is Verizon, which of course has been upgraded today by Oppenheimer's. They've got a $42 target, 20% upside. They're talking about how it will benefit from cloud computing. I'm not sure that's why you hold it in the first instance, is it?
Well, you know, I think one of the things that I like about Verizon, and it's a great point, Simon, you know, I really like the idea that obviously they're a solid company, they have good infrastructure, they've been around for a while, they have a nice dividend, quite honestly, which is right around 5.5%, and most of the folks that we're working with are 50 plus, so they're a little bit more conservative by nature, so we look for things that give us some nice yields and dividends while we have chance and opportunity for capital appreciation at the same time. But yeah, there's a new thing they're coming out with, it's called FiOS, F-I-O-S, you may have heard of it. Did you hear about that?
Yeah.
Yeah, kind of.
I want to get Brian in on the conversation. Brian, one of your picks is Dell, and you say that Dell's got a lot of cash on the books, which is a great thing, and that they could be looking to make some deals here. What sort of deal would you like that would actually be accretive to Dell and be positive for the stock?
Well, I think some of the stuff we're looking for is kind of that middle market space where they really have some opportunities where you've got a larger audience kind of focusing on the large IT side. I think that they can make some inroads. They've done a great job operationally, and I think that with over $7 billion in cash and $3.5 billion shelf registration for debt, they could make an accretive acquisition which would expand their middle market presence and really do wonders for their profitability going forward.
All right, Mike and Brian, thanks so much for your time. We do appreciate it.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you.
And you too.